How to make brookies. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees and grease the pan. Step 2. Gather your ingredients. Step 3. Make the cookie batter. Beat half a cup of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, a quarter cup of regular sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. It should look like this. Now add 1 egg and beat until fully combined. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 1/4 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and baking soda. Now gradually stir in the flour mixture into the butter mixture until the dough is combined. Then, stir in the chocolate chips. Step 4. Spread the dough evenly into the prepared pan. Step 5. Make the brownie layer. Stir 1 cup of regular sugar, half a cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then add 2 eggs and beat until combined. Mix in 1/3 cup of cocoa powder until fully combined. Stir in half a cup of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt until the batter is mixed together. Step 6. Pour the mixture over the cookie layer and spread to cover completely. Step 7. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Step 8. Take them out of the oven and let them cool completely. Step 9. Cut and enjoy. And that's how you make a brookie.